Hello students, feeling awesome to see you again. In my last video, we discussed about sound wave, terms related to sound wave, characteristics of sound, pitch, loudness, and timbre or quality. Let's begin with the next few topics to be discussed. Topics to be covered in today's video are audible and inaudible sounds, musical instruments, reflection of sound, audible and inaudible sounds. Human beings can hear sounds of frequencies between 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz are known as audible sounds. Sounds below 20 Hz and above 20,000 Hz cannot be detected by the human ear are called inaudible sound. You heard about the term ultrasonic, supersonic, infrasonic sounds. The sound wave below 20 Hz of frequency is infrasonic sound. 20 to 20,000 Hz is audible sound, which can be heard by human. Above 20,000 Hz of frequency sound wave are known as ultrasonic sound. In our previous video, we discussed about sound produced by musical instruments, and it was known that whenever we talk about sound, the first thing which generally comes in our mind is musical instrument. Musical instruments. Musical instruments are of varied types. Based on the design of the vibrating parts, musical instruments can be classified into the following types. There are 5 types of musical instruments. Aerophone or wind instruments. In wind instrument, sound is produced by a vibrating column of air. They have tubular structure and have holes along the sides of the tube. These instruments are played by blowing air through the mouthpiece. Chordophones or string instruments. In stringed instruments, sound is produced by vibrating or by plucking a string. These instruments are also consist of a hollow air chamber that help in increasing the loudness of the sound produced. Membranophones or drums, instruments which produce the sound of vibration of a tightly stretched membrane are called membranophones. Idiophones or percussion. Percussion instruments are the instruments that produce sound when it is struck, shaken, or scraped. In these instruments, the vibrating skin or membrane produces a musical sound. Electrophones, a device which produces sounds by electrical action or with the help of electronic components, is called electrophones. Here you can see some examples for each one of them. Can you able to see that next slide? This is about reflection of sound. Similar to light, sound waves also bounce back from surfaces of objects. This bouncing back of sound waves from the surface of a solid or a liquid is called reflection of sound. For a proper reflection of sound, a smooth or rough surface is needed, and its size should also be large. The following are the two laws which govern reflection of sound. The direction of an incident sound wave and the reflected sound wave make equal angles with the perpendicular to the surface. The incident sound wave, the normal and reflected sound wave, all three lie in the same plane. There are a few applications of the reflection of sound are here. First, echo. If you visit an echo point of a hill station and shout loudly, you will hear the same sound after a little while. This sound is called an echo. Hearing aid. A hearing aid is a medical device which is used to improve the hearing ability of people who have difficulty in hearing. This device uses the reflection of sound to direct sound waves to a small area of the ear. Megaphone. It is a funnel-shaped device that is used for the amplification of the sound and its projection in a particular direction. This device works on the principle of reflection of sound. Stethoscope. Usually, such a device can be seen hanging around the neck of a doctor. It is used to hear sounds generated by internal body organs of human, like heartbeat. It also based on the principle of reflection of sound. So, can we quickly recap today's topic? Type of sound, audible and inaudible. Types of musical instruments, wind instruments, string instruments, percussions, electrophones, membranophones. Thank you and have a nice day.